Today we're going to do a soulful vegetarian curry, and I call it soulful because it's filled with so many beautiful spices and lovely fresh ingredients and those seasonal veggies that are going through it. So let's get cooking. So the key ingredients we're going to use today are the fresh turmeric, the lemongrass, the kaffir lime, the ginger and the garlic. I'm going to make a beautiful paste with that. And then we're going to do a crispy topping on the top when we've made the curry with fried shallots, the coriander and the chilli. So it just smells delicious. I can't wait to start eating it. You can really smell those aromas that have come through of the ginger and the spices. And what's really lovely is this gorgeous crunchy chew that you're going to get from the shallots on the top. So happy eating from Whāro.